Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of air purifiers and taking a closer look at what many consider to be the best portable air conditioning unit available in the market, the VEVA Air Purifier Large Room Pro HEPA 9000. Now, before we delve into the specifics, let's talk about why air purifiers are essential. Whether you're dealing with allergies, smoke, pet dander, or simply want to freshen up the air in your home, a high-quality air purifier can make a world of difference. What sets the VEVA Air Purifier apart is its advanced 4-in-1 technology. It comes equipped with a washable pre-filter, a small dust and premium activated carbon filter, and a HEPA air filter, all working together to capture unwanted particles and odors with remarkable efficiency. One of the things I love about this air purifier is its sleek and stylish design. It's not just functional, it's a decor-friendly addition to any home or office space. Plus, with its compact size, it's incredibly versatile and can be placed almost anywhere. But what really sets the VEVA Air Purifier apart is its performance. With a coverage area of up to 600 square feet and a noise level as low as 30 decibels, it's perfect for use in large rooms, bedrooms, or even offices. And thanks to its H13 HEPA filter, it can capture particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring that your air is clean and free of allergens. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the VEVA Air Purifier, praising its effectiveness, ease of use, and value for money. From reducing dust and pet dander to eliminating cooking odors and smoke, this air purifier does it all. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best portable air conditioning unit that also doubles as a top-notch air purifier, look no further than the VEVA Air Purifier Large Room Pro HEPA 9000. With its advanced technology, sleek design, and powerful performance, it's a must-have for any home or office. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to hit that "Buy Now" button to experience cleaner, fresher air today.